Hello, welcome back to my channel. So, as promised, today I will talk to you about how to take a flattering picture of your lovely face. And this is something that I had to learn, of course, like everybody else, you know, I'm no top model. And if you missed the previous video, I just want to briefly remind you that it's important when you're selling on such a platform as Etsy, which is dedicated to independent designers and artists, to show your face to your customers, because they want a relationship with you, some kind of, well, maybe a relationship isn't the right word, don't forget I'm French, so, but you see what I mean, okay? And so we all feel a little bit stressed at the idea of having to take a picture, most likely a selfie, okay? So you're probably all afraid to look like this picture. Well, this is how you avoid that look. So first, you don't want your lovely chin, I mean double chin, or in my case triple chin maybe, to show in your pictures. You have to put your camera slightly higher than the level of your face, and this will force you to put your chin up rather than down like this, okay? And you will avoid this little thing. So you can see here I'm having a slight problems with reflections with my glasses here. If I lift my head a little too much, you can see the reflection of the windows here, okay? But okay, you can play with that. The next important thing is that you have to smile in your picture. And again, many comportmental studies have shown that we are perfectly able to tell from a picture if a smile is natural or if a smile is a selling smile, so a forced smile. So this would be a forced smile. Okay, because my face is smiling, but my eyes are not smiling. So it's difficult to be, you will say it is difficult to be natural when you're taking selfies. Okay, so if you have someone to help you, that might help. Ask them to tell you something funny, and that will make you laugh, and when you laugh you will be more natural, okay, in your pictures. Or you have to imagine, if you're on your own, you have to imagine that someone is telling you a funny story and you're really laughing. So really you have to put yourself in the mood. It's a little bit of play acting, and you'll feel a little bit self-conscious doing that at first, but once you get the trick of it, it's quite funny to do, okay? So once you have your perfect face, you have to figure out the perfect lighting for that. And this is something my business coach Renee Christine taught me. The best light, and the place in your home or in your studio where you will find the best light is actually in a doorway which leads outside, of course. So it would be your front door, or maybe your patio, you know, because you have to have as much natural light as you need to, because it will make your features look better. But you don't want harsh light, so you don't want to stand in the sunlight, because that would be too harsh on your features. Also, if you don't want anything that's behind you to show in your picture, you know, when you're standing in that open doorway, or in that window, and you have the right light and you have the right camera position and everything, and but you don't want the mess which is behind you to show, then you can have someone just stand behind you with some piece of white cardboard or a fiber board or something neutral, preferably light in color. White is just perfect for that, which will hide everything that you have behind you and enhance your face, okay? And the last thing, take as many pictures as you can, because from every angle, try different positions, try everything, and you'll have one which looks okay. Don't forget, people want to see your eyes, so smile and show your eyes and you'll be perfect. So I'll leave you to have fun with your camera. Don't forget to register before you go, so you know when I post more videos. And if you want freebies, just check the link below this video, which has my coach Renee Christine's free trainings, and I'm sure you will love them. Au revoir!